back. So I don't know if we're gonna do it every week, but I had an idea and you guys have been asking for it, so
Next time, can we do it inside? It's absolutely freezing.
it's chilly out here. What's the name of this episode?
Eggcellent explosions. Come on, Colin. Colin, turn around. Turn around.
So what are we gonna microwave?
SSO.
Eggs, and what are they gonna do?
SSO.
Say it loud. Good job, good job.
Yay,
All right.
okay.
So I've heard that if you microwave an egg without cracking it, that it explodes. And I thought I'd put 4 eggs in there and see what that does. So this should be cool.
Well, that's what I'm talking about. It's like a Easter egg massacre.
It smells really good.
It does, it does. All right, if you like the video, be sure to give it a like. And there's more like it on the left. I have a whole playlist filled with like 14 other microwave insanity videos. You can see me do stuff like CO2 cartridges, bullets, glow